Hello, welcome to Chapter 6 of Healthcare in Diverse Communities. We're going to talk about the chapter, and we're also going to talk about refugees just a little bit. So looking at Chapter 6 is the idea of cultural competence across organizations, and it's really a top-down sort of thing. So it starts with the board of directors who oversee the organization, and again, your board of directors needs to represent your community, and I think also, again, must consider the diversity. So again, it starts at the top, then the CEO is really the one who enforces it and, is the one who actually drafting the plan and implementing it. And then the staff are the frontline ambassadors. They're the ones doing it. So again, your board of directors are kind of living it and understanding it, your CEO is implementing, and then the staff do the work of cultural competence. Also, that should be in the mission and values of the organization. Things around, again, a culturally diverse and competent workforce, things like that. And written into the accreditation of several of these things are cultural components. So it is important to have a competence plan, only because it's going to fill in what you need, again, especially for Joint Commission and other types of accreditation. So looking at refugees in one slide or less, again, people who are forced from their country. Maybe it's disaster, maybe it's war, flood, famine, what have you. But people who are displaced for one reason or another, who don't necessarily want to leave. Again, around 21 million worldwide. A lot of them, of course, in Palestine and that area, but about 16 million refugees, and you can see that about 5 million of them are from Syria. And again, the majority of them, or at least half of them, are under the age of 18. So when you think of refugees, think families, think kids, and mothers, a lot of it. And again, there's the UN link for more information about that. Now, looking at your assignments for this, we have Assignment 7, which is about federally qualified community health centers. It's pretty straightforward. Write a paper about why they're important. Assignment 8 is actually just a research assignment about refugees. So find a couple of sources and write a couple of paragraphs on refugee health issues. Participation, of course. I'll look forward to meeting with all of you. And then the midterm paper over racism in the healthcare system is due here in a couple weeks. Let me know if you have any questions.